if you search libsasl2.so.3, if you search this file, you cannot find this in Bookworm, in Buster, and in Bullseye. However, if you search libsasl2.so, you can find this in Bookworm. The package name is called libsasl2-dev. So libsasl2-dev, we need to do this first. Get install this first, and we need okay, it shows you that this file is already the newest version, right? We already have this file installed, so we can go to user lib x86 and libsasl2 start. You can see we have this file here, and we can link ln-s this to 3. Let's take a look. Let's see if we can cheat it or not. Okay. libsasl2. Okay, we make a new link .3, not .2, and we can see if we can cheat this or not. Okay, you can see this is a very big program. It consumes a lot of resources, and it didn't open immediately. You need to create some sort of cache. Okay, so you can see this time ICC2 can be executed, right? We can run ICC2. So our solution is to cd okay, so this is our final solution. This time I tell you we want to install Synopsys ICC and the ICC2, right? However, we encountered a lot of problem, which is majorly caused by missing dynamic linking library. So we solve this one by one. Then we install the libaudio library. Okay, basically they are all missing library problem, and this one. So this is the conclusion of ICC and the ICC2. I will give you the note later. So everyone, please make sure that you have your ICC and the ICC2 installed and can be opened. Then we will deal with Innovus. Today we are going to extract Innovus only because it is a very huge software. Then next time I will come here and tell you to install Innovus to configure it and solve all the problem. Then basically you can prepare your final exam.